how's it going? It's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. And we're here to show you our blue and black specks pattern. It is a 50 centimeter and it is dark blue, light blue, and transparent. I will tell you, up there on the screen, the blues look a lot different than they do when they are not on the screen. So we'll see how they print on a white base coat. That's what we're gonna print to today. But that's a really neat pattern. Lots of transparency in it though, so you could, gosh, you could make that purple, black, and transparent if you wanted to with the right base coat. Yeah, doesn't have to be transparent. Whatever base coat floats your boat, you're welcome to use. And I never set my timer, so I guess we're gonna go with, feels like 60 seconds. Activates really nicely. It doesn't take a whole lot of activator. Yeah, it's definitely a lot lighter in color than it is just film-wise. But again, you can definitely change that with a different base coat color. That should be in, I believe, the camo section. And obviously that will be at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.